Fall 2020 is more important than ever for our students because the remote world is certainly our reality. The externship program is offered to University of San Francisco law students who have completed their first year of law school. Students can receive anywhere between 3 and 13 units based on the number of hours that they work.
Now is an ideal time to be in law school, knowing that you have a couple years where your job is to learn and to get as many experiences as you can. That is exactly what you should be doing right now. Externs are encouraged to tune in to Zoom hearings.
Working with the law clerks, there was a really great opportunity for mentorship in chambers, and I feel like I walked away with relationships that I will have for the rest of my professional life.
We've had externs participate in litigation matters, performing research, pleadings, working on strategy sessions, and basically being immersed in the experience of being an in-house transactional lawyer.
Employers need to know that our students are ready and able to participate in the remote context and that they can be powerful lawyers even if they're working in their living room.